Introducing Tapplock, the world's first smart fingerprint padlock. Using a cutting-edge encrypted fingerprint sensor, it grants access with just a tap in 0.8 seconds.
I'm Michelle Romano from Dragon's Den, and the minute I saw Tapplock in the den, I knew I needed to invest. The product is simple, that opens either with your fingerprint, with your phone using Bluetooth, and the best part is I can give remote access to anyone. So when I'm in Toronto, I can give access to someone in Chicago.
Up to 100 fingerprints can be stored. The time, location, and duration of access can even be customized. Tapplock, the world's smartest padlock.